Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Shortwood. We're going to be driving from Shortwood to Washington Boulevard. So we're now in the Shortwood area. On the right is the Total Energies gas station. On the left is a store that makes windows. Now Total Energies, the gas station was originally Esso, and then Total bought out Esso in Jamaica, and Total became the largest gas station, or they had the most number of gas stations in Jamaica when they bought out Total. I think they bought out another company as well. I think it was National. So they were the largest in terms of the number of gas stations. I'm not sure if they're still the largest, because I see new gas stations going up all over the place. Fesco, for example, is opening gas stations all over Jamaica, and not only opening new gas stations, some of the existing gas stations are being rebranded as Fesco. Okay, and then Total now recently changed their name from Total to Total Energies and changed their logo and everything. Real nice modern look. So we are on Shortwood Road now, and we're going into the Grandspend area now. At the stoplight is Grandspend Road. If we turn left, we take Grandspend Road down to Barbican. If we turn right, we take Grandspend Road up to Constant Spring Road. And if we go straight, we stay on Shortwood Road and head towards Constant Spring Road. So when we turn left or right, it's there are a lot of roads off that main road that have a lot of homes on it. So it's a very large residential area, Grandspend. And if you turn left, you go to the Grandspend police station. And the Grandspend police station is a fairly new police station, but it was built with the concept of community policing in mind. So that police station has, for instance, an ATM in it. It has a health center in the same compound as the police station, and I think they even have stores over where the police station is. It's basically, they were looking at a new way of policing, and it seems to be working, because Grandspend doesn't, you don't hear about a lot of violence or crime going on in Grandspend. Okay, if we turn left there, that is Upper Waterloo Road, and that takes us to Lower Waterloo. I mean, not Lower. If we turn left there, we go on Upper Waterloo Road, and that takes us into Waterloo Road, and then you can go to Hope Road, the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar Road from Waterloo Road. It's about 9:30 in the morning. It's Friday. Not sure why there's so much traffic on the road right here, but as soon as we reach a stoplight, and straight ahead that stoplight is Constant Spring Road, the traffic usually eases up. Constant Spring Road was recently renovated, and it's a 4-lane dual carriageway, so you're not really going to find traffic on that road. Alright, so if we turn left on Constant Spring Road here, we go down to Halfway Tree. If we turn right, we go up to Manor Park or Stony Hill. And if we go straight, we go onto Central Avenue. And Central Avenue is where you'll find the Queens High School. Alright, so we turn left onto Constant Spring Road and we're heading towards Halfway Tree. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.